Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The Java test package, commonly known as the java.test package, is often associated with unit testing in Java applications. However, it's worth noting that the Java ecosystem primarily uses libraries like JUnit for unit testing, as there isn't a standard java.test package provided by the Java Standard Edition, SE. Overview of JUnit. JUnit is a popular testing framework for Java that allows developers to write and run repeatable tests. The key features of JUnit include annotations to identify test methods, assertions to test expected results, test runners to execute tests, getting started with JUnit. To get started with JUnit, ensure you have the following: 1. Java Development Kit, JDK, installed. 2. A build tool like Maven or Gradle, optional, but recommended. 3. An IDE, like IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, or NetBeans, for easier development. Setting up JUnit. Using Maven. If you're using Maven, add the following dependency in your pom.xml file. Using Gradle. If you're using Gradle, add the following to your build.gradle file. Writing your first test. Let's create a simple Java class and a corresponding test class. Step 1, create a class to test. Create a file named calculator.java in your src/main/java directory. Step 2, create a test class. Now, create a file named calculator.test.java in your src/test/java directory. Explanation of the test code. Annotations, @test marks a method as a test method. JUnit will execute these methods when running tests. Assertions, assertions.assert equals, expected, actual, message, checks if the expected value matches the actual value. If they don't match, the test fails, and the provided message is displayed. Running the tests. If you're using an IDE, you can typically right-click on the test file or the test method and select Run. If you're using Maven or Gradle from the command line, you can run. Conclusion. JUnit is a powerful framework for testing Java applications. This tutorial covered the basics of setting up JUnit, writing tests, and running them. As you become more familiar with JUnit, you can explore advanced features such as parameterized tests, test suites, mocking with libraries like Mockito. For more information, you can check the JUnit 5 user guide, https://junit5/docs/current/user-guide, for deeper insights and advanced features. Happy testing!